Hey, HighLevelers, Star here. If you're a social media manager and you create and or schedule blog posts for your clients, you're not going to want to miss this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily upload blog posts through a CSV file. Let's get started. You're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, go ahead and select Sites. Once you've selected Sites, just go ahead and select Blogs at the top. Here, you're going to see a list of your blog sites. Go ahead and select the blog site where you'd like to schedule your blog posts. Once inside of that specific blog site, all you need to do is go to the top right where it says New Post. You'll see a little drop-down arrow. We're going to go ahead and select Import Blog Post from CSV. So now you're just going to go ahead and upload any information that you want to upload for your blog post. We do have some formatting tips that will be listed just below. It'll let you know the types of date format that are accepted on the CSV file, link information, text, CSV, as well as scheduled date. So go ahead and enter in that information, and then you're just going to click to upload, or you can also drag and drop. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that CSV file and hit continue. This is going to go ahead and process. As soon as that's processed, you'll be taken to our preview screen. Here you'll see that if you have any blog errors, it'll show you what those are, and you can instantly go ahead and hit the edit button to make any changes that you need to make to your specific blog post. Additionally, you'll be able to see a list of blogs listed below that will be imported in this specific file upload. Now, I do want to point out that you can go ahead and select the date and time that you would like for each blog post to be scheduled. If you select a previous date, then it's going to go ahead and automatically publish. Or you can actually schedule your blog post for a future date, and if you leave it blank, it'll be saved in draft mode. Let's go ahead and save, then we're going to go ahead and import. It's important to note that you're going to get a notification. It'll let you know what's going to take place for this specific action. In our case, one post will be published and one post will be sent in draft mode. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to import, because once you do this action, it cannot be undone. Let's go ahead and import. Now that I've imported my CSV file, you'll see a list of your CSV imports here. So you'll have your blog posts, you'll have imported content, and those CSV imports. You'll see the ones that are imported, and you'll see if you have any in draft mode that need review. So if you're a social media manager or a content blogger, start using our CSV blog importer today. This makes migration so easy when moving from other platforms such as Blogger or Wix. Our CSV importer is also a huge time saver. For more tutorials like this, check out our Content Army playlist.